My people are welcome. So all of you don't try this one and I don't try and answer correct. But if you make mistake, use this one, carry correct yourself. X plus y all squared means x plus y 2 times. So I tell you now, this one will multiply by this one will still multiply by this one, then this one will multiply by this one will multiply by this one. May do them bit by bit. X times x na x squared plus x times y na xy plus y times x na xy2 plus y times y na y squared. Pay attention to these signs them because why they use plus plus or two, because everything are plus. You get question what they bring, sometimes it could be minus, because all those one will carry negative sign and positive. You know, pay attention, it will worry you. You go add these two things now, this one and this one. So x squared plus, if you add two of them, it will give you 2xy plus y squared. If you get this one as the answer, then you sharp. If you no get them, then the opportunity to carry learn this one and do correction. Then maybe if you try this one by yourself and check yourself, maybe might use another one like m plus n all squared. I mean, for people who don't get this one correctly, just take time, try this one. Your answer is supposed to give you something like m squared plus 2mn plus n squared. If you don't get this one, you mean say you could do and correct yourself. Okay, so make we do the one where we say if you get x plus y all cubed. Now all cubed means say you go duplicate this thing into 3 times, into 3 places. X plus y into x plus y. Now you know get one take be where you go say x go multiply x come multiply x. The thing no dey, you no go fit get them. And then this x again come multiply y come multiply y. You no go work like that. It no go work like that. So what you go do be say you go first handle maybe 2 of this one first. You go handle this one, get the answer, then use this one against this one. You see say stress don't begin come. Now why the next slide now Pascal Triangle I go introduce you to how you go take the carry expand when the power done the big. And Pascal Triangle, keep in mind, you get limits. To get time where we go reach, you no go like use Pascal Triangle again. We're going to go use Binomial Theorem formula. So now so the stages they go. I want make you enjoy this class with me. As I teach yourself, how they you enjoy them. I go live for you. So this one and this one, now exactly this one, this thing we see here. And that one can give us this answer. So if I be you, since I know how to do this one and my hand on strong, say, you know, so normally if they give me this thing, I no go even they think am to dey solve am again. I don't really dey used to say x plus y square go give me this one. I don't even take am as formula that x plus, or even if na y plus x, or even if na m plus n all squared, I don't take the same na m squared plus 2mn plus n squared. I don't dey used to am. So you guys dey used to this thing now. So it means say this one will give us this particular one. So I go repeat x plus y. Then in place of these two, I will replace them with waiting the formula b, because when we expand this one, we get this one. X squared plus 2xy plus y squared. This one will save our time. But remember, say if they just give you this one directly, and for you not to make mistake, first expand this two, follow the process, get the answer first, carry and compute here. Now this particular one now, s go multiply this one, s go still multiply this one, x go still multiply this one. The stress on the big go, you don't see them. So make we do that one first. X times x squared will give us x cubed plus x times 2x squared will give us 2x squared y. I mean x times 2xy will give you 2x squared. This x will increase this x to give us x squared. Then y and 2 will still remain the way they be. X again will multiply by this y squared. It will give us xy squared. My right hand way, xy squared. I don't finish with x. Now over to y. I'll write this plus with in front of them. Y times x squared will be x squared y, because x comes before y alphabetically. Now I make at the right hand like that. So y again times 2xy will give us 2xy squared. Remember this y times this one. it will give us 2xy squared plus y times y squared will give us y cubed. So I don't finish. Now just to arrange them, then get the final answer. So bring down this s cube because I don't get any other thing maybe s cube here. I go write s cube here plus check which one common. Okay, maybe we start with this one. I dey see x squared y. I get another x squared y. See am x squared y. This one and this one match. Even though this place now 2, here na invisible 1. So no forget to now this one they confuse student though. This one with there go add plus with these 2 to give us 3. Then x squared y, since they're common, just write one of them. We don't finish. Then with the addition, just like they add this one and this one. So that one where you know see when they write here, I beg 1 day, now you go carry add to 2 to give 3. Now waiting student need a sabi. Then check this one and this one still common because I dey see xy squared, I dey see xy squared. Now the same thing I dey tell you 1 day here, that 1 plus this 2 to give you 3. Then they can repeat this one, take one of them way common, xy squared. Xy squared don't be same thing as x squared y plus this one will be y cube. 3 and 3 no go fit add because this one and this one no be the same thing. So x cube plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cube. That will be the final answer for this particular expansion. It says the thing stress us reach. Imagine for exam now they can say make you do x plus y all to the power of 7. Even if na 5, you and me go agree say that particular teacher na wicked person. Don't be say we know we fit do am, we go do am but e go stress us. But you go know say that person will do this thing, will give you this thing, no be better person. So try to check whether this thing will teach you enter your brain by trying this one, will be a plus b all to the power of cube, and see whether if you get answer. In the next slide, I will show you how to use Pascal Triangle to solve this one. In one line, we'll get the answer. And the one where we get squared, in one line, we'll get the answer. We go fit try all this one too. We'll get the answer in one line. I hope you enjoy this particular video. Watch them over and over again. It will enter. Practice everything what they teach you. Practice them. Notice say as I teach you finish, you enter. Practice and try yourself whether if you do them and compare your answer. Now so you go take grow. Thank you for watching. Bye.